Hi everybody, Adam Pecoraro here, and welcome to Flexoraro Fitness. Today we're watching my friend Mario do his weekly personal training workout. And Mario has been working with me for a long time, and I think he's an awesome guy. And hey, today, look at this guy. Today we got the news that he was accepted to NYU, so he's going to be going there in the end of summer, I believe, this year. So we wish him all the best, and Mario, if you watch this video, congratulations to your brother. I love you very much, and I'm very, very proud of you. All right, with that out of the way. So Mario here is doing a opening part to his workout. And he's at the stage now where I feel comfortable making a lot of these exercises simply maintenance rather than a part of his HIIT workout. So he's doing 4 sets of a chest press, and every set is broken up with something for his legs. This gives his upper body a little bit of recovery, and it helps to make sure that we are doing always something that helps to benefit his foundations in the opening part of the workout. So for example, here you see him doing reverse lunges. Here's his chest press. That I think is set 3. But first he did squats, and then he did lateral lunges, and then here you see him doing the curtsy squats. Then after we finished this 4-set routine of chest press, we wanted to balance everything out. So we do the opposite plane. So he's doing the cable pull for his back, and then he's doing another set of squats. And that's Rebecca there doing yoga. Goes back for his 2nd set of his cable pull, and then he's going to go to do his lateral lunges. If I remember correctly, every single set is 1 minute on with a 30-second interval rest, and he's going for maximum quality reps. Here's his 3rd set of the cable pull, and he's going into alternating reverse lunges again to break that up. Last set of the cable pull, and then when he finishes this out, he does another set of alternating curtsy squats. So great for posterior chain, great for his anterior on the chest, good for the arms, and awesome for the legs and core. Now this part is the HIIT workout. So we have 2 unilateral exercises, which is great for core recruitment and making sure that each side is doing an equal amount of work. It's a great way to find imbalances. So he's learning about using his hips for power by doing a swing, and as he's doing the swing, he's trying his best to stabilize his upper body by squeezing his back and keeping his abs tight. He brings that directly up to his shoulder into a clean and a unilateral shoulder press. And there's Becca again. And we have to, of course, do this on both sides. So it's not a squat. There's a bend to the knees. Think of it as a hip movement, a hip hinge, and he's trying to use his back and his glutes. If I remember correctly, I encourage him to try to use more momentum. He never wants to be without control, but I didn't want him to control it so it went as slow. We wanted speed because this is a power move. And if you remember, we need speed and strength to have power. So he's wanting to go quick and then find control here, and then that's done at a slower tempo. Now, all of these exercises were done for 3 sets. Just like in his previous movements, the chest press, the rows, and the legs, we're doing 1 minute on with a 30-second rest/recovery interval. So keeping it in a high intensity interval training type of workout. Okay, so now here is unilateral bicep curl. Now he's over here using the cable machine, and we have him on an incline. I want him to have to recruit less of his body and more of his arm. So one of the things we were working on, because this was the first time he did the exercise, was trying not to lean away and use his back to pull or use his legs to help him pull, but just using the biceps. So it's never an isolation, it's just that there are certain things that are emphasized more. And typically in the name of the exercise, if there's a muscle group featured like a biceps curl, that's your prime mover. But he's trying to use the rest of his body for stabilization. He's got a 70-pound barbell here. And again, going 3 sets through, maximum reps. He's trying to hit 8 to 10, I think. And we're doing a good overhead press. Mario's a very good lifter, but I always keep him from going to maximum on the barbell just because we can put so much weight on there, and I've had too many people get hurt over the years. They don't get hurt with me so much as they get hurt on their own. They go to the gym, And especially if they're young, they go with friends, they start adding weight to their deadlift, adding weight to their overhead press, and then all of a sudden, it's usually their back. Something goes out. So we try to go for overload with volume of reps and sets rather than one rep volume with the maximum amount of weight. It's also about him being functional, and at least for our purposes right now at this stage in his life, he's not competing with Olympic lifts, and he doesn't need to have to bring 300 pounds over his head, right? In fact, he shouldn't. What's he going to do, lift a refrigerator? Here he's doing tricep pull downs, and then he's coupling that with cable pulls for his biceps. Now, again, we're trying to hit every muscle group in different ways. He already had done his biceps because we did the unilateral cable pull, but this is a different plane, and he's got two arms working as one. A little bit of overload for the biceps is found here, but he can handle it, and he's doing a great job. Now, I only get Mario once a week, so what I try to do in that time is cover every major muscle group, do a little bit of lifting theory, ask him about how he's doing. Of course, the things you don't see filmed is he either runs a mile or today he did 2,000 meters on the rowing machine. Well, there it is. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe.